So who doesn't like free money? All right, so let's jump right in because I'm excited about free money and I hope you are too. So what's the first thing that comes to mind when I say free money? Scam, or what's the catch? No scam, no catch. This is unclaimed money that most people don't even know they're owed. This comes from owed bank accounts, unclaimed wages, tax refunds, state agencies, and more. So for example, I just received an email from PayPal stating that they were gonna send a balance I had on my account to this unclaimed money because I hadn't opened that account in over 90 days or accessed the account in over 90 days. It's not crazy money. It's not thousands of dollars. Most likely it's gonna be anywhere from the range of a few dollars up to $1,000. But I did see somebody claim $3,000 by doing this. All right, so let me show you how to find this unclaimed money. So the first thing you're gonna do is go to unclaimed.org. Once you're at unclaimed.org, scroll down, you're gonna see this map here and you're gonna click on your state. So I'm here in Texas and every state has a different unclaimed department, a different unclaimed website. So Texas is easy and straightforward. All you have to do is enter your name. I'm just gonna enter a random name here. You enter the name, you're right at search, right off the home page. If you go to, let's say, Nevada, for example, it's a little bit more difficult to navigate. You have to go to unclaimed here, find missing money. There's a little bit more steps involved to get there. Let's go to Utah, for example, right next to Nevada. This one's easy also. All you have to do is enter the first and last name and you're up and running. But if you are in a state like Nevada, where it's a little bit more difficult to navigate through the website, you can also go to missingmoney.com, enter the name here, and it's gonna give you any missing money attached to that name in every state: Oklahoma, New York, Wisconsin, Illinois. But let's go back to Texas here. So it's unclaimed.org or missingmoney.com. Here at Texas, enter the generic name, Tom Smith, and it gives me everything that's owed to Tom Smith throughout the state: La Vernia, Odessa, Houston, Waco. Look at this one right here, Capital One savings account. So this Capital One savings account was probably closed, right? In 2010, and this person, Tom Smith, maybe they're deceased, who knows what happened, but they're owed $2,048. Look at this Tom Smith right here, matured policy annuities. So this person is owed $500 here, right? So all you have to do is find your name, find your address, make sure it matches up, and claim it. So what was crazy here is that I didn't think I had anything missing, any missing money, right? But when I typed my name in, I had unclaimed money that I had no idea that it had coming to me. $87 accounts receivable credit balance. This is mine also, $96.35. And that's all I had. I wish I had more, but right under 200 bucks, doing nothing but searching my name and claiming my money, can't complain. And the funny thing is I really wasn't expecting anything. I didn't know I had any unclaimed money at all. Typed in my name and there it was. Maybe you're one of the lucky ones that has a few grand in unclaimed money. Let me know how much you got. So unclaimed.org or missingmoney.com. So a quick thank you to everybody who subbed to my channel up to this point. Not too long ago that I was making a $3,000 sub. Thank you. Sorry, I have a bird chirping in my ear and I can't really concentrate on what's going on. Trying to make a video outside and this is what I get. But anyway, thank you for watching. If you haven't already, consider subscribing. More to come. Until next time.